This thing's no good. This engine was turning off on them. They were saying it needs a rebuild, which I don't doubt. That'll give it some problems. So this is no good. Come on. All right, there are those. All right. Perfect. Right here, we're gonna take off our oil pickup tube. Two like that. We're gonna put an arrow towards the top. Arrow is where the front of the engine is. So I put an arrow up. There we go. Type. That's the outer ones, and the inner ones are both the same. Keep these in the same spot. Don't. Easy as that.